Hello, kindergartners. Today we are going to be talking about plant needs. Our learning target will be we can explain what a plant needs to grow. So what do you think? What does a plant need to grow? Maybe pause the video and tell someone what you think the plant needs to grow. So let's find out. Let's read the story, What Plants Need by Karen Jones. Think about the things that you need to live and grow. People need things like food and water. Plants need certain things to live too, just like people. In order for plants to grow, they need warmth, sunlight, water, nutrients, and space to grow. 2 sunflower seeds are planted in the ground. One is planted during the winter when temperatures are freezing and the weather is snowy. The other is planted during the spring when temperatures are warm and the weather is sunny. Which seed will grow? Point to the picture that you think will have a seed grow. If you guessed the seed planted during the spring, you're right. Plants need warm temperatures in order to grow. They will not grow when the air and ground are below freezing. During the winter months, many plants go dormant, which is similar to what bears do when they hibernate. They are still alive, but they keep their energy stored so they can grow when the temperatures warm up. Some marigold seeds are planted in the spring. Some are planted in a pot that's faced in front of a sunny window. The others are planted in a pot that is put into a dark room with no windows. Which seed will grow? Point to the pot that you think will grow the seeds. If you guess the seeds that are near the sunny window, you're correct. This is because plants need sunlight in order to grow. People get energy from the food that we eat. Plants create their own energy from sunlight. Without sunlight, seeds would not grow and plants would not survive very long. 2 strawberry seeds are planted in a garden in the spring. Both seeds get sunlight. One seed is watered every day and the other seed doesn't get any water. Which seed do you think will grow? The one that gets watered or the one that doesn't? If you guess the seed that gets watered, you are correct. Just like people, seeds and plants need water in order to grow and live. Water is soaked up by a plant through its roots. The water travels through the plant's stem to its leaves. There, the water works with the sunlight to make energy for the plant. 2 carrot seeds are planted in the spring. One seed is planted in a pile of rocks. The other seed is planted into rich soil. They both get sunlight and water. Which seed will grow into a healthy carrot? Point to the picture of which one you think will grow a healthy carrot. If you guess the seed that's planted in the soil, you are correct. Soil contains nutrients that help it grow. Soil also helps to hold the plant into the ground. Nutrients like minerals are found in healthy soil and are soaked up with water through the plant's roots. The nutrients and water travel up the stem and help the plant to grow. 2 oak tree seeds are planted in the spring. One is planted in the soil with lots of open space around it to grow. The other seed is planted in soil in an area crowded with lots of other trees, plants, and weeds. Which seed do you think will grow? Point to the picture. If you guessed the seed that's planted in the area with lots of open space, you're right. This is because plants need space to grow. Their roots need a space to spread and grow, and their stems, leaves, and flowers need space to grow too. If a seed is planted in soil that's crowded by other plants, it likely won't grow because the other plants are taking the nutrients and space it needs to live. Plants have needs just like people. If you give a seed enough warmth, sunlight, water, nutrients, and space, you can help it grow into a strong and healthy plant. So, what were some of the things a plant needs to grow? They need sunlight, water, nutrients, space, and good soil. So I want you to take out your paper that looks like this, and you're going to draw 2 things that plants need to help them grow. You'll draw one here and one here. Then do the quick check at the bottom. This one says, do all plants need water to grow? Yes or no? And this one says, do all plants need to have sunlight to grow? Yes or no? When you're done, go ahead and add it to the seesaw activity.